May I commence the proceedings, my lord?
Yes.
Tamil தாய் வாழ்த்து.
நீராறும் கடலொடுத்த நிலமடந்தை கெழிலொழுகும் சீராரும் வதனமென திகழ் பரத கண்டமிதில் தெக்கணமும் அதில் சிறந்த திராவிடனல் திருநாடும் தக்க சிறு பிறை நுதலும் தரித்தனரும் திலகமுமே அத்திலக வாசனை போல் அனைத்துலகும் இன்பமுற எத்திசையும் புகழ் மணக்க இருந்த பெரும் தமிழனங்கே தமிழனங்கே உன் சீரிழமை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்தை திறம் வியந்து செயல் மறந்து வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே வாழ்த்துதுமே.
My lord, now may I read the notification issued by the Government of India.
Yes.
Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Class 1 of Article 224 of the Constitution of India, the President, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, is pleased to transfer Sri Justice Vivek Kumar Singh, Judge, Allahabad High Court, as Judge of Madras High Court, and to direct him to assume charge of his office in the Madras High Court, signed Rajendra Gossip, Special Secretary to the Government of India. May I read the authorization given by Honorable the Governor of Tamil Nadu.
Yes.
Under Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, R.N. Ravi, Governor of Tamil Nadu, hereby authorize you through Justice Sanjay V. Gangapurwala, Chief Justice of Madras High Court, to administer oath of office in the appropriate form to Sri Justice Vivek Kumar Singh, Judge of Allahabad High Court, as a Judge of Madras High Court, signed R.N. Ravi. May I request Honorable Through Justice Vivek Kumar Singh to occupy the chair besides the Honorable Chief Justice. May I request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath of office to Honorable Through Justice Vivek Kumar Singh.
I,
Vivek Kumar Singh,
having been transferred as Judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been transferred as Judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Thank you, my lord. May My Lord, may I read the notification issued by the Government of India? Notification. In exercise of the power conferred by Class 1 of Article 222 of the Constitution of India, the President, after consultation with the Chief Justice of India, is pleased to transfer Sri Justice M. Sudhir Kumar, Judge, Telangana High Court, as Judge of Madras High Court, and to direct him to assume charge of his office in the Madras High Court, signed Rajendra Gossip, Special Secretary to the Government of India. May I read the authorization given by Honorable the Governor of Tamil Nadu? Under Article 219 of the Constitution of India, I, R.N. Ravi, Governor of Tamil Nadu, hereby authorize you, through Justice Sanjay V. Gangapurwala, Chief Justice of Madras High Court, to administer oath of office in the appropriate form to Sri Justice M. Sudhir Kumar, Judge of Telangana High Court, as a Judge of Madras High Court, signed R.N. Ravi. May I request Honorable through Justice M. Sudhir Kumar to occupy the chair besides the Honorable Chief Justice. May I request the Honorable Chief Justice to administer oath of office to Honorable through Justice M. Sudhir Kumar.
I,
Justice M. Sudhir Kumar,
having been transferred as Judge of the High Court of Madras,
having been transferred as Judge of the High Court of Madras,
do swear in the name of God
do swear in the name of God
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
that I will duly and faithfully and to the best of my ability, knowledge and judgment perform the duties of my office without fear or favor, affection or ill will,
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
and that I will uphold the Constitution and the laws.
Thank you, my Lord. May I request the Learned Advocate General to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, other Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court, both at Chennai and the Madurai bench, Honorable newly appointed Judges of this Honorable High Court, Honorable Justice K. Sarath from the Telangana High Court, and Honorable Justice Lalita Kannanegatti, I am pronouncing correctly, Kannengatti, is judge from Karnataka High Court. Family members and friends of Justice Thiru Vivek Kumar Singh and Justice Thiru M. Sudhir Kumar, Learned Additional Solicitor General Thiru Sundaresan, Learned Additional Advocate General Thiruvalargal Aja Naziruddin, Silambannan, Veera Kadaravan, Ramanlal, V. Arun, R. Bhaskaran, P. Kumaresan, R. Neelagandan, and Ravindran. Learned State Public Prosecutor Thiru Hassan Mohammed Jinnah, Learned State Government Pleader Thiru Muthukumar, Learned Government Pleader Thiru Tilak Kumar, Learned Government Law Officers of Tamil Nadu at the Principal Bench and Madurai Bench of the Madras High Court, Learned Public Prosecutor of Puducherry Thiru K.S. Mogandas, Learned Government Pleader of Puducherry Thiru Ravi Kumar, learned government law officers of Puducherry and the law officers of Union of India, Thiru Amalraj, the chairman of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu, Thiru Prabhakaran, vice chairman of the Bar Council of India, the Thiru Kamalanathan, president of the Madras Bar Association, Thiru Mohana Krishnan, president of the Madras High Court Advocate Association, Thiru Louisal Ramesh, president of the Women Law Association, Thiru P. Selvaraj, president of the Law Association, and other office bearers of the respective associations, the Registrar General Thiru M. Jyotiraman, the officers and the staff of the Registry of Madras High Court at the principal seat and bench at Madurai, fellow senior advocates and beloved junior advocates, representatives of the electronic and print media, viewers watching the proceedings online, ladies and gentlemen. Vanakkam, and my sincere greetings to all of you who have gathered here and also watching watching live this proceeding. We have assembled here this pleasant evening to welcome Honorable Justice Thiru B. Vivek Kumar Singh and Honorable Justice Thiru M. Sudhir Kumar, owing to their transfer from the Honorable Allahabad High Court and Honorable Telangana High Court, respectively, to this esteemed Chartered High Court of Madras. Firstly, let me congratulate you, both of you, on your appointment as a judge of this Honorable High Court. With your presence, the strength of the bench now has increased to 67 as against the sanctioned strength of 75. On behalf of the entire legal fraternity of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, I sincerely welcome your lordships to this distinguished High Court, and I am confident that your presence will contribute to the achieving the purposes outlined in the Constitution. I would like to give a brief introduction of their lordships to the august gathering here for the benefit of today's audience. I would like to give a brief introduction His Lordship Thiru Vivek Kumar Singh. He was born on 25th of March 1968. He hails from the state of Uttar Pradesh. After completing his school education, he graduated law degree from Avadesh Pratap Singh University of Rewa, Madhya Pradesh in 1993. Thereafter, on August 30th, 1993, he enrolled as an advocate and started practicing before the Honorable Allahabad High Court, primarily on the civil and criminal side. Over the years, His Lordship has established a solid reputation as an accomplished advocate. Due to his committed legal practice, His Lordship was elevated to the bench of the Allahabad High Court and appointed as an additional judge on 22nd September 2017. Subsequently, on 6th of September 2019, His Lordship took an oath of office to serve as the permanent judge of the Allahabad High Court. I would like to highlight a few of the cases that His Lordship has decided during his 6 years tenure as the judge of the Honorable Allahabad High Court. In state of Uttar Pradesh versus Devendra Kumar Sharma, His Lordship spoke for the division bench and held that no interference is required against the order of acquittal against the charges under section 471, 409, 201 and 466 of the Indian Penal Code, section 7, 13.2 and 13.1d of the Prevention of Corruption Act 1988, as there is no evidence of conspiracy hatched by the accused persons, and also how much financial loss was caused to the government. His Lordship further affirmed the settled principle that finding of acquittal recorded by learned trial court is fully borne out by the evidence on record, and the view taken by the learned trial judge is equally a possible view. In the case of Arab versus State of UP, His Lordship, while dismissing the habeas corpus petition, ruled that in matters of child custody, remedy lies under Hindu Minority and Guardianship Act and our guardians under the Watts Act. On the other hand, His Lordship granted the father and grandparents weekend visitation rights, affirming their right to visit the child. While granting bail to a Nigerian citizen who was found to be imprisoned at the under the Foreigners Act, His Lordship in Uzobude Evans versus State of UP expounded that a foreigner is considered any person for the purpose of the bail and bonds, there is no legislative mandate under the Foreigners Act that a person charged with an offence under the said Act cannot apply for bail, as his right to bail is not lost, and neither can his right to liberty guaranteed under Article 21 of the Constitution. In Gaurav Khanna versus State of UP, His Lordship rejected the application for anticipatory bail in relation to the alleged offence under Section 406, 420, 467, 468, 471 and 120B of the IPC for obtaining a huge amount of loan from a housing finance limited by preparing documents with the complainant's forged signature. Since the magistrate has summoned the applicants and taken cognizance of the offence, His Lordship determined that the anticipated bail application is not mateable. In another case called Mangalgiri versus State of UP, His Lordship for the division bench spoke for the division bench, refused to quash FIR for the reason that FIR and material evidence disclosed prima facie commission of cognizable offences under Section 342, 386, 504, 506 of IPC and under Section 7 of the Corruption Act, and therefore such FIR may not be quashed. Hence, no interim order can be granted in a petition under Article 226 of the Constitution. The appropriate remedy would be to file an appropriate application for anticipated bail under Section 438 of the CRPC instead of filing a writ petition under 226 of the Constitution of India, inasmuch as the alternative statutory remedy may not orderly be circumvented. While dismissing a writ petition, His Lordship for the division bench in Mittal Lal versus State of UP held that the order declaring land to be surplus urban land, Sealing and Regulation Act 1976, and order rejecting application to confer rights were never subject to challenge, and in absence of any appeal under Section 33 of the Sealing Act, the order rejecting application attained finality. After the land was declared surplus, the names of erstwhile owners were also expunged and the name of state was mutated. Therefore, bringing up the question of possession after an inordinate delay of 40 years is devoid of merit, and the petitioner cannot be granted any right or titles by virtue of the void document. Speaking about His Lordship Thiru M. Sudhir Kumar, His Lordship was born on December 21st, 1969 in Kothagudam town, which was formerly part of Khammam district. Hails from an agricultural family. His Lordship pursued his education till intermediate in the government school and government junior college at his native village Charla. Later, he completed his graduation at C.R. Reddy College, Eluru, West Godavari district, Andhra Pradesh. After 2 years of working in active agriculture, he graduated LLB at Nanded in 1994. Immediately, he enrolled as an advocate with Andhra Pradesh Bar Council on December 21st, 1994, the day he turned 25. While pursuing the LLB course, he worked as typist cum advocate clerk in the office of his paternal uncle through M.R.K. Chowdhury, senior advocate. Later, he joined his uncle's chambers and continued on to work at the office until 2004. In 2005, he started his independent practice. He worked as a legal advisor and retainer for many software companies, KL University in Vijayawada and Hyderabad, as well as all the institutions managed by Vijnana Jyoti Society in Hyderabad. He practiced in every area of law before Andhra Pradesh High Court, and after the state's bifurcation, he continued to practice before the Telangana High Court until his elevation to the bench as a judge on 24th of March 2002. During his stint as a judge, His Lordship performed his duties as a fair and competent manner. Here I would like to mention a few of his judgments. In SS Consultancy versus State of Telangana, His Lordship ruled that bidders are sufficiently cautioned about the necessity of uploading documents online, and no offline submissions of documents would be considered. However, the tender was awarded to respondent number 5, who failed to upload the work experience certificate as stipulated, and which is a primary document in order to claim eligibility to participate in the tender process. Hence, the bids that are submitted devoid of proper documentation, documents or adequate information are liable to be rejected, especially when other bidders who satisfy all the norms and tender conditions. While dismissing a writ petition in Dr. Abhinav Singla versus State of Telangana, His Lordship held that the executive order was issued by the government making it compulsory for post-graduation students to render rural medical service for 1 year is also having the force of law. In terms of Rule 10 of the Andhra Pradesh Unaided Minority Professional Institutions Regulations of Admissions into Postgraduate Medical and Dental Professions Courses rules, the petitioners were required to execute a bond undertaking in order to make them eligible for registering their names with Telangana State Medical Council. In Singareni Colliery Company Limited versus State of Telangana, His Lordship held the purpose of introducing Section 28A is to treat the landowners who failed to seek reference under 18 of the Land Acquisition Act 1894 on par with the persons who sought reference under Section 18 of the Act. Further, it is a settled law that every endeavor should be made to give effect to the intention of the legislature, especially in the cases of beneficent provisions like one on hand, Section 28A of the Land Acquisition Act 1894. In Krishnanand versus Telangana State Transport Corporation, His Lordship decided that the respondent corporation would not have been made liable to pay an amount of 7,18,915 rupees to the claim of the motor vehicles OP number 43 of 2018 due to the negligent act of its officials. Furthermore, corporation is not entitled to recover the amount from the petitioner instead of taking appropriate action against the officials who are responsible for prosecuting the motor vehicles OP in a negligent manner. These judgments encapsulate their lordships' legal acumen, practical experience, and their idea to uphold the administration of justice. Likewise, their lordships' judgments are written with concision and eloquence. I must acknowledge that to be clear and concise in this presentation is in fact an essential attribute for a judge. It is my earnest hope that your lordship's years of experience at the bar, along with a fair and impartial mind, would support the traditions of the Madras High Court and the Madras Bar and further its roots in dispensation of justice, a fundamental principle underpinning the constitutional scheme. In the words of Thiruvalluvar, there can be no greater source of good than the practice of virtue. There can be no greater source of evil than the forgetfulness of it. In Tamil it reads, Arathinungu Akamumillai, Adanai Marathalin Ungillai Ked, Kural 32. With the above remarks, I extend my heartiest welcome once again to your lordships. I assure your lordships that the members of the bar will tender their utmost assistance and sincere cooperation in every aspect of administration of justice and smooth functioning of the court. On behalf of the entire bar, I once again extend a warm welcome to your lordship. I wish your lordships good health, success in your tenure, and all future endeavors to come. Thank you very much, Nandi.
Thank you, sir. May I request the Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, other Honorable Judges of the Madras High Court, Honorable Judges of the Telangana and Kannada High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Kumar Singh, Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhir Kumar and their family members, Mr. Shanmugha Sundaram, Advocate General, Mr. A.R. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General of India, all Additional Advocate Generals, Mr. Asan Mughat Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Government Pleader, Mr. K.S. Mohandas, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Government Pleader, Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Senior Advocate, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. V. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. Mohan Krishnan, Co-Chairman, the President of Madras High Court Advocate Association, Mr. V.R. Kamalnathan, Mrs. Louise Al Ramesh, Mr. Selvaraj, the Presidents of the respective associations, Mr. M.K. Suresh, the President, Madurai Bar Association, Madurai Bench, the President and the Secretaries of the Advocate Association throughout the state of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, officers of the Honorable High Court Advocate, members of the legal fraternity, press and media, good evening to all. In the pleasant evening, as the Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, the Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Kumar Singh, after completing a law course, got enrolled an advocate on 30th day of August 1993 in the rolls of the Bar Council of Uttar Pradesh. The perception of the Honorable Judge towards the legal profession has made the Honorable Judge to get appointed as Judge of the High Court of Allahabad in the year of 2017, and disposed of several cases by upholding the rule of law, and now taken oath as Judge of the Chartered High Court. I wholeheartedly welcome the Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Kumar Singh. The Honorable Mr. Justice M. Sudhir Kumar, after completing law course, got enrolled as an advocate before the Bar Council of Andhra Pradesh on 21st day of December 1994. The Honorable Judge did agriculture, and as per the will and wish of his mother, has chosen a legal profession and established as a leading lawyer. Due to the hard work and dedication, the Honorable Judge was appointed as Judge of the High Court of Telangana on 24th day of March 2022, and now taken oath as Judge of this Honorable High Court. I wholeheartedly welcome Honorable Mr. Justice M. Sudhir Kumar. The High Court of Madras is one of the oldest high courts in India, and it's an origin for several stalwarts of the Indian judiciary. We are happy to welcome the Honorable Judges to renowned High Court. We are sure that the Honorable Judges would dispose of more cases along with the array of the other Honorable Judges for the dispensation of justice. The legal fraternity as well as the litigant public of Uttar Pradesh and Telangana are greatly benefited under the judicious service of the Honorable Judges. And in the same manner, the people of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry would also get justice from the Honorable Judges. A quote by former Chief Justice of India, Honorable Mr. Justice R.C. Lakoti. I quote, "The seekers of justice approach the courts of justice with the pain and anguish. They do not take law into their own hands. As they believe that they would get justice from the courts, we owe an obligation to them to deliver quick and inexpensive justice. The newly appointed judges are elevated directly from bar to the bench, which itself illustrates their legal acumen, and all together with their vast experience in the legal profession would pave way for quick and opt justice. Maintaining a respectful and collaborative relationship of the bar and bench is fundamental for the effective function of the legal system. Hence, as the Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, we assure that we will give fullest cooperation for the proper and administrative justice. On behalf of the Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, and on behalf of the entire legal fraternity, I wholeheartedly welcome and wish the newly appointed judges, and also wish them to reach higher heights in the future endeavors. Thank you, one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. May I request the President, Madras High Court Advocates Association, to give welcome address.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, other companion judges of this Honorable High Court, Mr. R. Shanmugasundaram, Advocate General, Mr. A. R. Sundaresan, Additional Solicitor General, Mr. Hassan Mohammad Jinnah, Public Prosecutor, Mr. Muthu Kumar, Government Pleader, Mr. K. S. Mohandas, Public Prosecutor, Puducherry, Mr. Ravi Kumar, Government Pleader, Puducherry, Mr. P. S. Amalraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. V.R. Kamalnathan, President, Madras Bar Association, Mr. Louis Al Ramesh, President, Women Lawyers Association, Mr. Selvaraj, President, Law Association, Mr. Rajendra Reddy, Public Prosecutor, State of Telangana, Mr. M.K. Suresh, President, Madurai Bar Association, my Lord, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Kumar Singh, my Lord, Honorable Justice Sudhir Kumar. It is with great pleasure and a sense of immense honor that we stand before your Lordships today to extend a warm welcome to this esteemed High Court. Judiciary plays a pivotal role in upholding the principles of justice, protecting the rights of individuals, and ensuring that the laws of our land are interpreted and applied with wisdom. My Lord, we extend our sincere congratulations on assuming this esteemed position. Your Lordship's rich experience, knowledge, and vision will guide the court in its mission to deliver justice efficiently, promptly, and equitably. As we embark on this new chapter, with the appointment of your Lordships, we reaffirm our commitment to the principles of justice, fairness, and rule of law. Judiciary is the guardian of the rights and liberties of every citizen. It is our collective responsibility to ensure that justice remains accessible to all, irrespective of their status and background. On behalf of our Vice President R. Sudha and Secretary Mr. Krishna Kumar, we wholeheartedly welcome your Lordship. Thank you, my Lord.
Thank you, sir. May I request the President, Madras Bar Association, to give welcome address.
My Lord, Honorable Chief Justice and companion judges, the newly transferred judges to this Chartered High Court, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Kumar Singh and Honorable Mr. Justice M. Sudhir Kumar, my respected Advocate General of Tamil Nadu and Additional Solicitor General, Additional Advocate Generals, Public Prosecutor of the State, Government Pleader, Puducherry, and law officers of the State and Central, Mr. S. Prabhakaran, Senior Advocate and Vice Chairman, Bar Council of India, Mr. P. S. Amalraj, Chairman, Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and its members, Mr. G. Monakrishnan, President, Madras High Court Advocate Association and its office bearers, Mrs. Lucille Ramesh, President, Women Lawyer Association and its office bearers, Mr. P. Selvaraj, President, Law Association and its office bearers, senior advocates and members of the bar. Ladies and gentlemen, good evening to one and all. On behalf of the Madras Bar Association, I have the greatest privilege and pleasure in extending your Lordships a warm and hearty welcome on your assumption of office as to this Honorable Chartered High Court. The statue of great Mananidhi Sodan stands in this Chartered High Court, shows the fairness in rendering justice. The Madras Bar Association assures the Honorable Judges that we will give our fullest cooperation in the discharge of your duty as Judges of this Honorable High Court. The Madras Bar Association wish the Honorable Judges a successful, satisfying and memorable tenure of office in our High Court. Thank you, one and all. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, sir. May I request the President, Women Lawyers Association, to give welcome address.
அனைவருக்கும் பணிவான மாலை வணக்கம். My Lord Honorable Chief Justice, other companion judges, Advocate General, Additional Advocate Generals, Additional Solicitor General, State Public Prosecutor and other law officers, Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman Bar Council, Vice Chairman All India Bar Council, President Madras High Court Advocate Association, President Madras Bar Association, President Law Association, former judges and family members of honorable judges and other dignitaries present here. On this very special day, on behalf of Women Lawyers Association, I am proud to extend my warm and humble welcome to Honorable Justice Thiru Vivek Kumar Singh, Honorable Justice Thiru M. Sudhir Kumar to this great Chartered High Court. It is apt to quote a world-renowned Tirukkural in Tamil. அறனறிந்து ஆன்றமைந்த சொல்லான் எஞ்சான்றும் திறனறிந்தான் தேர்ச்சி துணை. பொருள் அறத்தை அறிந்து கல்வியால் நிறைந்து சொல்லாற்றலை கொண்டு செயல்திறன் படைப்பதே சிறந்த நீதியாகும். In English, one who understanding the duties by special learning, able to tender fullest advice with pleasant words, and at all times execute with the best method is called justice. On behalf of Women Lawyers Association, I once again proud to welcome honorable judges to this Chartered High Court. We assure we will give our sincere prayers and support your lordships. Nandri Vanakkam.
Thank you, madam. May I request the President, Law Association to give welcome address.
Milord, Honorable Chief Justice, Mr. Justice Sanjay Vijay Kumar Gangapurwala and his companion judges of this Honorable High Court. Milords, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Kumar Singh and Honorable Mr. Justice M. Sudhir Kumar, Learned Advocate General Mr. R. Shanmugasundaram, Learned Additional Solicitor General Mr. A.R.L. Sundaresan, Learned Additional Advocate Generals, Learned Public Prosecutor Mr. Hassan Muhammad Jinnah, Learned Government Pleader Mr. Muthukumar, Learned Public Prosecutor for Puducherry Mr. Mohan Das, Learned Government Pleader for Puducherry Mr. Ravi Kumar, and other law officers of the Honorable High Court. Mr. Prabhakaran, Senior Advocate, Vice Chairman Bar Council of India, Mr. P.S. Amalraj, Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry and its members, Mr. Velu Karthikeyan, Vice Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Mr. V.R. Kamalanathan, President Madras Bar Association, Mr. G. Mohankrishnan, President Madras High Court Advocate Association, Mrs. Louisa Ramesh, President Women Lawyers Associations, and all office bearers of the respective associations, respected senior advocates, and the members of the bar who are all present here and connected virtually. On behalf of the Law Association, I extend my warm welcome to your Lordships, Honorable Mr. Justice Vivek Kumar Singh and Honorable Mr. Justice Sudhir Kumar to this prestigious High Court. We assure you, your Lordships, of our fullest cooperation in the discharge of your Lordships' duties as judges of this Chartered High Court. The Law Association wishes your Lordship a successful tenure of office in our High Court. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I request the Honorable Thiru Justice Vivek Kumar Singh to give reply.
First, I should start from something which has become very close to my heart. Male Vadakkam. Actually, when I reached yesterday night, I had made in my mind that first thing what I will do is I will learn Tamil. Because when you communicate and the receptor receives what you say, then you are more comfortable and you can say things which you want to say. Otherwise, it is very difficult to communicate what is in your heart. You can communicate from your tongue, but you can't communicate from your heart unless you communicate in that language. So now from today, after taking this oath, by the grace of Almighty, I am part of this Tamil family. And I would love to settle here after my retirement. It is a great day for me for many reasons. 4 or 5 days back, Shankaracharya of Kachikam Kotipitham visited my residence at Allahabad. And he blessed me for coming to this place, Chennai. So I got that signal that a divine personality has come from south, and definitely God has given this signal that you are welcome to Chennai. It is not the institution which has done that. It is the welcome sign given by God. Second is that as a lawyer, I settled myself in Puttaparthi. in 2006, I got settled in Puttaparthi and I have my house in Puttaparthi, Andhra Pradesh. Today is Satya Sai Baba's birthday, 23rd November. So that way, these two things have given tremendous signal that yes, I am being welcomed by the Madras, people of Madras and Tamil Nadu. What I have given at Allahabad, I can't say because it is the bar, it is the people who will say or judge what I have done. But as a satisfied soul, I have come to this place. And I ensure all of you that in times to come, I will give my best to you. And I feel very proud of being part of this bench because today my one brother's birthday was there and I got this opportunity to see all of my brother judges and sister judges. It was a very warm interaction, and it was a feeling that I was not new to this place. I got this feeling that I have been to this place. And actually also I have been to this place. In 2006 as a lawyer, I visited Madras High Court and Mr. Shriram Panchu was lawyer here at Madras. He was a good friend of mine, very senior to me, but very good friend. So I stayed at his residence, Mr. Shriram Panchu's. He was in that Ayodhya case also. He accompanied me and I had a very good round of the High Court in 2006 December. And I still remember that there was a museum and in that museum there was a scarlet robe. I think scarlet robe was there. And Justice Karju had gone to Supreme Court, but that robe was that in the museum was inaugurated by Justice Karju. So I have an association with this High Court. It began from 2006, and I had a very this thing since childhood. I always wanted to learn. I feel that I have come to this High Court, which is the most learned High Court of the country. I will be interacting with people who are very learned people, very learned judges. I stand nowhere. I have to learn from my brother judges, my sister judges, and I will learn from this rich bar, very learned bar. Because today also I see that I have heard and I have seen myself also that in Supreme Court, the people from Tamil Nadu, they rule. All big lawyers are from Tamil Nadu. So that way I feel very benefited that I have got this opportunity to, in this point of time of my life, at this stage of my life, that I will have to learn something more which will enrich me and which will satisfy my appetite of learning. Thank you very much. With all humility at my command, I again thank the bar of Madras High Court and the people who are sitting over here, my family. Nandri. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, my lord. May I request the Honorable Through Justice M. Sudhir Kumar to give reply.
My Lord, the Honorable Chief Justice, my learned sister and brother judges of this Chartered High Court, including the learned judges who have joined online from Madurai bench, my sister Judge Justice Lalita from Karnataka High Court, and my brother Judge Justice K. Sarath from High Court for the state of Telangana, Sri R. Shanmuga Sundaram, learned Advocate General, Sri P.S. Amal Raj, the Chairman Bar Council of Tamil Nadu and Puducherry, Sri G. Mohana Krishnan, the President Madras High Court Advocates Association, Sri B.R. Kamalnathan, President Madras Bar Association, Louis Ramesh, the President Women Lawyers Association, Sri L. Sengutwan, the President, Law Association, learned senior counsel and members of the bar, law officers, learned additional advocate generals, registrar general and other registrars, judicial officers, officers and staff members of the High Court and district courts in the state of Tamil Nadu, family members and friends of Justice Vivek Kumar Singh, who took oath today along with me, Mr. M. Rajendra Reddy, learned public prosecutor, High Court of Telangana, learned advocates, friends, and who came all the way from Hyderabad and Amravati to attend this ceremony. My staff from Telangana High Court, Personal Secretary, Additional Personal Secretary Rekha Rani and Dasrath, Mr. Kiran Kumar, Court Officer, my court masters in Telangana High Court, Hema, Venkat Lakshmi, Divyasri, and Kishan, chamber attender, my father, Mr. M. Nageshwar Rao, my wife Tanuja, my children, Sai Namrata, Sai Swaroop, my sister Shanti Sri, and other family members, print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you all for the warm welcome. I wholeheartedly thank my Lord the Chief Justice for administering oath. I thank the Learned Advocate General and the presidents of all the bar associations for their wishes bestowed on me, which show their affection towards me. I am grateful to them for welcoming me to this esteemed High Court. I know after a hectic day of work, it's very difficult for all of you to sit here after court hours for this long. I will be brief in my reply. I am proud and honored to have been entrusted with the responsibility of being a judge of this prestigious Chartered High Court. The Madras High Court is one of the oldest and most prestigious high courts in India, with a rich history dating back to 1862. This High Court has established a reputation of its commitment for the upholding the Constitution of India and has played a key role in shaping the legal landscape of the country. Its contribution to the legal system of the country has been immense. It has been at the forefront of landmark judgments that have had a far-reaching impact on society. The judiciary plays a crucial role in upholding the rule of law and protecting the rights and freedoms of all individuals. An advocate is an integral part of the administration of justice. A successful lawyer has always been held in high esteem, not because he has succeeded in accumulating unlimited wealth, but because of his knowledge, wisdom, brilliant intellect, and courtcraft. The Madras High Court is very fortunate to have legal luminaries of high degree of intellect and legal acumen. I hail from a village named Cherla of Eswell Khammam district of Telangana state, where I studied from my primary to intermediate. Thereafter, I graduated from Sir C.R. Reddy College, Eluru of Andhra Pradesh. Then I did active cultivation for 2 years, and then, as per wish of my mother, did LLB at Nanded, Maharashtra state. After enrolling as an advocate in the year 1994, I joined in the chambers of my paternal uncle and senior advocate, Mr. M.R.K. Chaudhary, who gave me all the opportunity, freedom, and guidance till the year 2004. In the year 2005, I became independent and practiced at Hyderabad in all courts till the year 2022. With the blessings of Almighty, the collegium headed by Justice Hima Kohli Garu, the then Chief Justice of High Court of Telangana and presently Judge Supreme Court of India, proposed my name for appointment as a Judge of Telangana High Court, and the collegium of the Honorable Supreme Court, headed by Honorable Justice N.V. Ramana Garu, the then Chief Justice of India, were kind enough to recommend my name for appointment as Judge of Telangana High Court. I once again express my deep gratitude and sincerely thank them for showering their blessings on me. I hope and trust I have discharged my duties as Judge of Telangana High Court for about 20 months to the best of my ability and in terms of the oath taken by me on 24th March 2022, and I try my level best to continue the same in this esteemed High Court, and will stand before you to seek your judgment on the day of leaving this High Court. The legal profession is known to be a noble profession, as lawyers are entrusted with the enormous task of upholding justice. While I was at the bar, I enjoyed each and every moment. The kind of joy, sense of satisfaction that one derives in the profession is uncomparable to any other profession. In this profession, every day is a new experience, as you have an opportunity to address the concerns of people who are in need of justice. The smile on the face of the client when he gets a favorable order keeps the lawyers motivated all through. The Madras High Court Bar is known to be strong, independent, and very learned. I would like to assure that my relationship with the bar would be friendly. Bar is my birthplace. I will always have that affection to the bar. This institution has a glorious past and a bright future. I try my level best to make my contribution to the best of my ability to add value to this institution during my tenure as judge of this court. I thank everyone who shaped me to this position as I am today. I thank my former colleagues, my former colleagues, Justice Lalita, Karnataka High Court, Justice Sarath, Judge Telangana High Court, who have taken pains to come here personally, other family members, friends, well-wishers and advocates who are present here to greet me personally. I am grateful to them for coming all the way on their busy working day. I also thank Mr. T. Venkateswara Rao, Registrar, who has been officially asked to accompany me. I also personally thank all those who are watching this ceremony online. I once again thank my Lord, the Chief Justice, my colleague judges of this High Court, and also the colleague judges at Madurai bench for wholeheartedly welcoming me to their judicial family. I am excited to begin this journey with you all. Thank you all once again for your wonderful presence at my swearing-in ceremony. I wish you all the very best and have a good day. And I assure you that by the time when I get an opportunity to speak, give a lecture like this, address you, I'll try to address you all in Tamil. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, my lord. May I conclude the proceedings, my lord? National anthem.